day or die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down.
Welcome on my YouTube channel, or on our YouTube channel, better to say. So, dear friends, let's go on with the deconstruction of this legendary VIDEOTON SUPERMAX D402 E speaker boxes. The legend from Hungary, from the late 70s and early 80s. But at first, I would like to thank you everybody for watching our videos, for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you would like to support our channel and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So, back to these boxes. This is, I can say, the second part of deconstruction, because I've yesterday recorded video with dismounting, disassembly the bass speaker, and this is, it was second video. The first video was recorded immediately when they arrived here, because this is the case when I must buy it. So if you would like to watch it from the beginning, how it works here in my listening room, so the first video when it arrived here, and where I give the detailed info about these boxes, watch my first video. I put here active link if I don't forget. Then yesterday I've recorded deconstruction, where I show the crossover, where I show the bass speaker, info about the bass speakers, and the first part of deconstruction. I put here also active link, and let's go on, because I would like to show you in this video the tweeter and the mid-range speaker with the paper cone. As you can see, there are 6 speakers. These are the biggest ones from VIDEOTON speaker boxes, something like their, we can say, flagship. And I must say, I love these bass speakers, because as you can see, the huge magnets from 4 parts, and die-cast aluminum alloy speakers, so the construction is really good. But the only problem, and this problem is by all the bass speakers from this speaker box, is the polyurethane cone surrounding is always totally damaged, totally. It needs to be reformed, and if the previous owners stop playing the speakers when it starts be so damaged, the coils of the bass speakers are usually in working condition. And this is the same case by these speaker boxes, because all speakers are working, or better to say, all the bass speaker coils are not interrupted, so it can be without huge problems refurbished, reformed. So let's dismount the tweeter and the mid-range speakers, and I would like to show you them from the backside. Next info about these tweeters is that these are something like clone of the legendary Grundig tweeters. The dome and also the coil are the same dimension. Yes, there is difference in the dimension of the front plate. Grundig have any other dimension, but the inner parts, or the dome and the coil, are the same, and these speakers are really not bad. So if somebody needs to repair your Grundig tweeters, it's possible to use these Grundig clones VIDEOTON tweeters. Let's and as I told before, all the speakers in these boxes, these VIDEOTONs, are sealed with some white sealing material, and it's about I told in my previous video after 50 years, but they are not 50 years old, they are about 47 years old, and it's soft also nowadays. I usually here's not so much of this material, but if I have about 10 years ago dismounted any other VIDEOTON SUPERMAX, there were much more of this material, and I had it here many years on the table, and I can use it by refurbishing other speakers that I can seal it, because this material is okay. If I can compare it, for example, with such a sealing material from the old vintage Tesla speaker boxes, the material is hardened like a rock. So this is better. Thumbs up. Let's take some knife. You can see it. Oh, works. So I put the camera closer that you can see it better. Here you can see how soft it is. Okay, and you can perfect material, and you can read, I believe, on the camera the type VIDEOTON HG 2.5 14K, made in Hungary. So let's go to the second one. So the second one speaker.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up.
Oh, here's so much of this sealing material. Incredible. This is the case like by the previous boxes, VIDEOTON SUPERMAX about 10 years, 50, maybe 20 years ago. This material I used, as you can see, here is only small, but here the huge. I don't know why. So VIDEOTON, Cold War era East Block speaker production. I must put the camera closer, you must see it. Do you see it? Hey, incredible. So VIDEOTON HD 10.8. Okay. Incredible. So dear friends, how do you like the speakers? How do you like the construction of this audio legend from Hungary, VIDEOTON SUPERMAX? Would you like to use them in your living room or no? What do you think? Is it worth to save the bass speaker with refoaming or not? So write us in comments. I would like to read your opinions, your comments. So once more, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel. If you would like to support our channel and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.